Stuck inside the never-ending days. The world before me slowly fades. What am I reaching for? Who am I doing this for? Sweat slips from my tightened hands, and dreams I held start slipping through like sand. These palms warm with wear and time speak of something beyond the grind. Even if it never shows, there's something I can't let go. Sweat slips from my tightened hands, and dreams I held start slipping through like sand. I believed in a tiny piece of light, even out of reach it felt so right. A quiet voice I never knew now gently starts to shine on through. Dreams like drifting stars above still shine even when I can't see them. And I can't see them. In these hands, bruised and torn, sleeps a memory soft and warm. Not in a smile, but past the tears, I found the truth I chased for years. Stitching every little prayer I made. These broken days have shaped my way. The days that never seem to change taught me there's meaning in the same. Dreams aren't just something to chase, they're what I hold in this sacred space. I still believe in that piece of light, wavering but pushing through the night. Even fading voices from before now gently guide me more and more. Dreams are living here in me. Even if tomorrow fades away, I'll keep holding your hand today. Your smile, your tears, they'll stay with me every step of the way. Dreams are here, right in my hands, even when I can't see them.